In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a YouTube channel on a phone. So find the YouTube channel that you'd like to report, and in the top right beside the magnifying glass, you should see three dots. Press on those, and then the third option down says report user. You want to tap on that, and then it'll come up a list of different categories that you can report them for. So choose it and then press next, and then it'll ask you what you want YouTube to review. So if their videos break the rules of YouTube, then you would write videos. If their channel name does it, or if their profile picture. So choose whatever it is and then press next, and then you have the option to write more details, and then you simply press report at the bottom, and YouTube will confirm that you have reported it. So that's how to report a YouTube channel on mobile. Thank you for watching.